Welcome to Mini Mindfulness number 301. Take a few long, slow, deep, powerful breaths, connecting deep into the center of the earth and deep into the center of the universe. Taking a long pause to simply be. Not trying to be anything or anyone. Just be as you are. Perfect in your imperfection. Allow yourself to receive. Receive all the abundance and love. Long, slow, deep, powerful breaths. Relaxing even deeper. Opening up your heart to receive even more. Noticing around you the sounds. Not judging, just relaxing. And when you're ready, come back to right here, right now, for it is always right here, right now. Have a great day.